How to get invoice from Shein Ecommerce App. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can tap open your app or just launch a browser and search for Shein, as this is a same process for both the application and your website. Now, once you are in your Shein, first and foremost, you have to make sure that you are logged in or signed in into your Shein account. Once you are successfully signed in, at the bottom you will see the Me option. Go ahead and tap on it. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in. Under More Services, tap on Support. Then scroll down and tap on Customer Service. Tap on Continue with Google or manually add your credential of your Shein account. Once logged in the chat type in Invoice. Then you need to select an item of which you want to check the invoice of. Next to the item, you will see the Send button. Tap on it. After which you will be able to check out the invoice of particular item. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.